Hello guys, welcome to Dhanush Kumar. So in this tutorial I am going to show how to bypass this login screen here. So in last video I have shown you how to bypass the root verification of this app. So in this video I am going to show you how to bypass this login. So as usual I have already backupped this app here, you can see. So decompile it. You can see here I have decompiled it. So the next step is, so here you are going to find an keyword. So you can see here, if I insert any key, you can see here you can see a key here. So you can see there is an text here, enter valid key. So I am going to search here enter valid key. So you can see here I got here in main activity. So you can see here it is under on click. That means, so it is the on click method of this login button. So when I click this button, the action is taking place here. You can see here enter valid key. So you can see here we have one condition, if get p1 v0. That means you can see here the character sequence. You can see here, 1 minute, you can see here the character sequence, that is it is seeing the length of the code, that is length of the key. So you can see here we have here v0 0xa, that means it is equals to 10. This value means 10. That means it is, if it is below 10, then it will show here enter valid key. So if I more than 10, that is 1 2 3 9, so now it is 10. So you can see now it is not appearing here. So now it is another, you can see a text can't connect to network. You can see now I'm going to search that one. Can't connect. I will search here can't connect. So I'm not explaining in detail because the video goes so long here. So you can see here we have here can't connect to network. So it is under here you can see something like method b, but so you can see here it is very difficult to analyze from here how to go through there. So you can see here I have shown in my last video to, when I, that means to start any of the other activity it will using start activity code. So that means if you see, for example, if the key is correct, so when I click here it will start the main screen, that is the which we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search here start activity. Start activity. So while it is searching, let's see we in which activity we are in. So I will enable this. So you can see we are in main activity, so we need the result which are in main activity. So there are many start activity here. So let's search in main activity. Where is main activity? You can see here we have got this all result which are in main activity. We want only this result. So let me start with first one. So this is not what we require. This is a start activity for result. We don't need this one. So in second one you can see here. So this is what something interesting here. Let's search with another. So you can see here it is start activity, but you can see here Android view. You can see one Telegram link. That means you can also see here on click. That means it is an Telegram button on click method. So when I click this Telegram, so this will take me to Telegram link. So we don't want this one. So let's skip with this one. That is where it is here. So we don't want this one. Now next. So you can see again this is also once again the same Telegram. That is once again same on click method. So we also don't want this one. So we'll remove it here. So once again in another. So you can see once again the same type. Android intent view. That means it will take to browser by this link. So we don't want this one. And once again it is on click. That means on button click. So once again you can see once again the same, it will take to YouTube. Again once again on click and it will start. So we don't want this one too. So let's see with the last one. So you can see once again it is also the same intent view. That is, it will take to this website. So we don't want this one. So what are these are? So you can see there are many buttons like get free. So when I click it will take to website. So when I click here free tutorial it will take to YouTube. So when I click here it will take to Telegram. So when I click here it will paste something. So now I need the which I want login. So you can see here at start, you can see in this, you can see here it is start activity. So after start activity, one more interesting you can see here. So you can see here, you can also see the finish activity. That means the main activity will close and it will start the activity. We need which it will start the activity here. So let's search it here. So here you can see here watch intent home view. So it will start the activity home view. I don't know what home view is, but when I click on login it will start with this activity. So this is what we wanted. So it will finish the main activity and it will start the home view. So I don't know what home view is, but I will search where this method is calling here. You can say I will click here long press and find usage. So you can say I have found the usage of it. So you can see here it is using. So I need to go through this condition. You can see here is on condition. So what I do is I should skip this condition and I should make the code run to this. So now let's make changes here. Here it will check with v0. So check with v0 and it will go to condition 90. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this line here. So when I delete this here, there will be no condition check here. So it will directly run through this and it will start the home activity there. So now let's save here. So now let's compile this and see whether it is working. So I have already said in the last video, that is to switch the between the activities it is using the start activity. So this is what you need to find the logic that. So wherever it is start activity, that means it is taking to another page. So that is what we wanted here. So we need to take to the next page, that is after login what the page it will view. So I don't know what the home view it, but we can try it. So after doing this, now let's install with this. So now I will uninstall this one. And install this modified one now. I can see here it is installed now. Let's open here. You can see here we got with the login page. So now we will enter any of this key here which is greater than 10 digits. So now you click on login. So you can see here it is successfully started this activity. So wait, I will show here. So it is here. So you can see it is only the home view. So it is started the activity home view. No matter what is the login key, it is starting here. So you can see it is also working. So you can see here it is working here. So this is what for this video. So thanks for watching.